Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can open and close the Karcher OC3. It's easy to do once you know, but if you get the handle in the wrong position, then it is a bit awkward and it won't close. So right now this is in the stored position there. You can see the handle's down and it's not taking up much room. So to open it up, what we need to do is lift it up like so, and then we're going to move this down towards the Karcher emblem at the front here, and then we're going to lift this up like so. This will give you access to this. You can now bring this out through this little hole at the back here, so the cable's not getting trapped. Don't have it here because then you're trapping that. Have it there, and then the flow of water is going to be nice. Again, you're going to be putting it on this way round, not that way round, it's not going to fit. So Karcher here next to the on and off switch, and we're going to be placing it down like so, but then we're going to be lifting the handle up. You're going to bring this handle up like so, and then you can close it, you can have it open, you can use it. That's how it's going to be operated. If, when you were to open it, you were to put this, so if you put it like that, take that off, then if you were to put that side, you're not going to be able to get this back up. You see, it's trapped there. So you have to always make sure you put that there. Now when you're finished, you're just going to be storing the cable in here, or the hose I should call it, and this across here. You can see there's a little cutout just here for the front of this. So that goes like so. That goes like that, and this will allow you to put it back on. Karcher next to the on and off switch. Make sure this is this way round, on here like so. Make sure that this is up, and then bring this up here, and then you can push it down. So what you might be doing wrong is, if that's down and you're trying to push this up, you can see that it's not happening. It's wanting to force that back up. Also, if that's that way, it doesn't matter whether this is up or down, it's not going to happen. Yeah, so this way, on here, up, close, down, and then we're all stored away. So that's it. That's how to open and close the Karcher OC3. Thanks for watching.